Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 21. 4 more days. 4 more days. All right. It is, what time is it? Oh, it's almost 9 o'clock. I've been up for a couple hours. I've had my coffee. I've caught up on a couple of Vlogmases and just been lazing around, really. But now I'm down here. There are a few things I want to get done. I'll show you how far I got with the tote bags last night. So the exterior is all done, and this morning I'm tackling the lining. I do have a virtual lunch with a couple of friends. Today we do this once a month. It's an ex-employee of mine and a current employee of mine. We're all friends and we all live very far apart, so we have a virtual lunch once a month. So I'm looking forward to that. And besides that, it's just going to be little bits and pieces in the sewing room. And yeah, it's going to be hopefully a slow, relaxing day today. I keep looking down because the bear is on Marianne's chair and he's having a bath right now. I've never seen a cat take such good care of himself. Like, he is constantly grooming himself. Very cute. All right, so let's do the advent calendars, starting with Beyond the Pink Door, because there should be a physical gift in here for today. And there is, and it's right on top. Oh, and it's a heavy one, and it's a box of some kind. So let's see. Yeah, it's a solid block of something. Oh, it jiggles. Let's see. Oh, wow. Wobbly round coaster from east of India. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Look at this. It says, "You are capable of amazing things." Oh my goodness, Andrea, this is so beautiful. I think this needs to go on my work desk, just to remind me that I'm capable of amazing things on the daily. I absolutely love this. Wow. Okay, what a great gift. Well, it can only be downhill from here. Door 21 of the Prem calendar. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, that looks interesting. A pin magnet. Oh, and it's in the shape of a cat. Look at this. So it looks like I can put it on my sewing machine and just kind of throw the pins on there. Do I have any pins around? Ooh. Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. So it's got like a suction cup on the back of it. So I can just apply this on one of my sewing machines. And because it's a suction cup, I'm assuming I can move it from machine to machine, depending on which one I'm using. Well, that's kind of cool too. Well, 2 really good gifts today. Okay, he's gone right back to sleep. All right, so I'm going to get going on those bags. Yeah, I wanted to show you how far I got last night. So I'm going to put away these gifts and I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the bags. Hold on. Before I show you the bags, I thought I'd show you a bear. There he is, all groomed and pretty and back to sleep. Or maybe he's not sleeping, his eyes are open. What are you doing, baby boy? Hello. All right, let's show you those bags. And here we go. So I got all 3 exteriors done. We got this one with the pockets. And then this one's for Marianne. She's gonna love this. And then this one here with the princesses. Super cute. So today's job is to put together the lining for all 3 bags and then finish them. Now I've got 3 hours before that lunch I have, so I should be able to get them done if I don't get too distracted or interrupted. So yeah, let's get started on those and I'll check in with you in a little bit. All right, so I have seriously underestimated how many mistakes I would make and how long it takes to put in continuous tape zippers. Oh my goodness. So it is almost 11 o'clock. I have yet to eat anything today, so I'm gonna go take a break right now, go get some food in me before my noon virtual chat with my friends. Yeah, I'm more than a little frustrated at the moment, hence why, you know, food and a break. So I'll get back to it, but I'm really pleased with the continuous zippers that I picked. Look how cute this is. Anyways, they're a pain to put in. Just to get the zipper pulls on is just, yeah. But anywho, I'll get back to it in a little while, but first food and a break. Hello, me again. Well, it is 5 o'clock. Today did not go according to plan. I did have a very, very nice chat with my 2 friends. It went on way longer than I think we were all expecting. So, a lot less time spent in here than I had hoped. And while I was down here, I made silly mistakes. Yeah, so a lot of unpicking, which is a little frustrating, but hey, I've got 1 bag fully done. So there it is, the pink one. There's the lining and the recessed zipper. So yeah, really, really pleased. It is all finished. The other 2, all I have to do is bag them out, basically. So put them inside the lining, stitch all the way around, bag them out, close the lining, and they're done. That is probably my least favorite part of the whole process, though, because to make sure the lining fits nicely inside the bag, the lining is a little bit smaller. Not by much, maybe like 1/8 for each seam, which means that when you're trying to put the outer into the lining to close the top, like you have to squish the outer into the... Anyways, it's not my favorite thing in the world. And then bagging out a vinyl bag with purse feet and all of that good stuff through a 6-inch gap you leave in the lining is also a little bit frustrating. Anyways, so I've got 1 done. I'm going to do the other 2 after dinner. Yeah, I'm fairly certain I'm going to be able to get those 2 done after dinner. There is a hockey game tonight, so I'm probably going to stay up late and watch that because they're out west, so it starts later, which means more sewing time. And honestly, like, I can't make any more mistakes. Like, the rest of the bags, of sewing those bags, I should be able to do without needing to unpick. And then I still have to do my son's, the vinyl on the hoodie thing that my daughter-in-law asked me to do. So tonight, fingers crossed, are gonna be 2 finished bags or 2 additional finished bags, and then a hoodie with the thing on the back. And then those 3 bags maybe wrapped, although that's something I could do in the morning. Yeah. So yeah, so like I said, it's 5 o'clock. I'm gonna go upstairs now, see what hubby is in the mood for in terms of dinner. And I will see you later when I come back down after dinner. Talk to you in a bit. Well, it is late, 10 o'clock at night, but they are done, all three of them. So we've got this one with the cute llamas and the cactus, and the lining is more cactus. Love the pink on that one. We've got this one with the princesses, and the lining is a fun navy lining. And then we've got this one with the pink and silver vinyl and cactus for the lining. I love them, but man, oh man, am I happy they're done. So now just to wrap them and gift them on Christmas. Well, some of them Christmas Eve and some of them Christmas Day. I also am just waiting for this to cool down. It's very hot because I just applied the vinyl. So once I take this little coat off, my son's hoodie is also going to be done. So I'm pretty much done now, I think. Although I should probably just stay quiet just in case. Wow, I am looking all kinds of tired. Well, it's been another busy day, and I thought today was going to be more chill, but I guess not. But I am done. Done. I have nothing left to do or make in preparation for Christmas. I'm constantly thinking of new things I'd love to do and gift and make, but that's it. That's it. I'm telling myself I'm done now. I've done enough. I'm going to write down those ideas and keep them for next year. So I am going to end it here, edit this video, and put it up on YouTube. And then finish watching my hockey game and go to bed. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.